Welcome to Montavilla's 12 Days of Christmas giveaway.
This is one of our favorite traditions because it gives us a chance to celebrate the best sewing community anywhere, you.
Let's talk about giveaways, because this year we're going to give away about $3,000 worth of prizes to show just how much we appreciate you.
And entering is super easy. Every day you shop at Montavilla Sewing through December 20th, you have an entry to win the 12 Days of Christmas giveaways.
And the giveaways start on December 8th, so let's get shopping.
Go to montavillasewing.com/12 days.
Merry Christmas.
And happy sewing.
Welcome to day 3 of Montavilla Sewing 12 Days of Christmas giveaways. We're here at our Lake Oswego store.
And today is a great day for all you Janome fans. We are going to take a look at the incredible Janome M8. That's a machine that's basically the SUV of sewing. Strong, smooth, and packed with many features.
And our giveaway today is a beautiful Janome thread kit. And let me tell you, this thing is gorgeous.
And helping us today on the M8 is Vex, a sewing expert and one of our employees at the Lake Oswego store and an all-around Janome enthusiast. So let's
head inside and meet Vex.
I've got Vex here from the Lake Oswego store. And Vex, I'm glad to be able to interview you today. I love these interviews because I get to talk to you guys about what your favorite machines are. But first of all, how long have you been with us now?
Well, I've been at the Lake Oswego Montavilla Sewing Center for 4 years as of just a few days ago.
Wow, it's been 4 years already. I can't believe that. Wow. So when you started with us, you were just starting your sewing journey, weren't you?
Yes, I was.
And you started out making a lot of clothes, shirts?
Shirts, pants, jackets, and as all of our customers know, I always have a fun, colorful shirt on when they come and see me.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So first of all, what are some of your favorite machines here? What brand do you like?
Well, I am a Janome fanatic. I love the Janome machines. They are one of my favorite companies.
What do you love about Janome?
Well, I love that there are different features like needle plates that you can change, buttonholes, things like ASR like the M8 has, so that I can do my quilting in a really fantastic way.
Wow, we've got a lot of great things to talk about here. So first of all, why don't you tell us about what is ASR? Tell me about that.
Yeah, ASR is Janome's AcuStitch regulation. That's allowing me, when I do free motion, or any of our customers, to have a really nice stitch out when they're doing free motion or any variety of stitching for quilting. So that can be ruler work, that can be straight line quilting, and it's gonna regulate your stitches so they have that beautiful symmetry, so that all the stitches look the same.
That's great, yeah. Okay, now tell me about AcuFeed Flex.
Okay, so with the AcuFeed Flex, that is Janome's redesigned way of looking at the walking feet. And they are these really nice feet that when you put on the machine, it's feeding your top and bottom fabric to be at the same speed so that you're getting a really nice even feed. And you can even change the toes on those walking feet. So you can have an open toe, you can have a stitch in the ditch, you can have a 1/4 inch one. So it meets all your needs for the walking feet.
Wow. So tell me about HP. What is HP? Isn't that high performance plate?
Yeah, that's the high performance plate that Janome has. So
okay, how's that
think about a straight stitch only sewing machine. This is the way to turn your M8 into a straight stitch only to have the best crisp straight stitch. And not only does it have a straight stitch with a straight stitch walking foot, but that walking feet, the AcuFeed Flex, there's an HP narrow walking foot that really enhances your quilting, especially when you're putting on your binding, because now your binding is able to be put on at a really nice even feed.
Wow. So what I also love about Janome also as the dealer is I love the fact that it's not just one machine, but there's a model below this, 9480, which is a little bit smaller machine. It's a little different chassis, but it does a lot of the same features.
Absolutely,
right?
yeah.
And then there's also one above this that has everything this has, plus it has embroidery with 11 by 18 hoop and does beautiful embroideries. Thank you so much for taking time with us. I've learned so much about it. And I've learned a lot about you even. So this has been a great little interview and day 3. Now, we need to have a code word for this day 3, okay? Yeah. So first of all, do you have a Christmas memory? And with that Christmas memory, can you give us a code word?
Oh yeah, I have a great Christmas memory, but I'll start with the code word first. That code word is surprise.
Okay.
My parents surprised me one Christmas with a gift, and UPS, when they delivered it, it didn't update on the website. And so my mom asked me to help open a gift for my dad, and it turns out it was a gift for me. So, gotta love those surprises.
Surprise. So day 3 code is surprise.
Surprise.
Well,
That wraps up our day 3. Huge thank you to Vex for walking us through the power and precision of the Janome M8.
This machine is smooth, quiet, and has ASR, the cruise control sewing machines.
And remember, today's giveaway is a Janome thread kit.
You can display it, you can frame it, or you can name it, but we recommend you sew with it.
Don't forget, every purchase during our holiday sale gets you to enter to win.
And remember, day 3 code word is surprise!
See you tomorrow for day 4 with a new machine and a giveaway.
Thank you.